Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using is or are. Birds are flying in the sky. Monkey is on the tree. The two girls are happy. The door is closed. Flowers are growing in a pot. A squirrel is sitting on the log. The corns are in the basket.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.